Hello, cartoon car collectors. So I was perusing my local used toy stores and I found this in one of the cabinets. It's a deformed Fiat 500. Now, the original Fiat 500 is goofy looking to begin with. Really small car. But this is a deformed one and it's done by Kaiyodo according to the bottom of this thing. So let's take a look here. All it says is Kaiyodo. No date, no idea how old it is. It's quite interesting that they have the spring motor here like a choro-q, but it's so jammed towards the rear they had to put the screw to hold the back over on the side. I think someone crazy glued this to a base or something because this is kind of hard, this white stuff here. A little bit of a tread pattern, a little screw holding in the front. It's an opaque white plastic body, I think. So we have just a license plate area and the silver bumper molded in. Painted okay, same with here. No official, I don't know if this is licensed because there's nothing resembling Fiat there other than that shape. The white lights, I guess alright. But with the white body, maybe they should have painted it all silver. At least the ring is silver. So the turn signal bump there is looking good. Very, very tight panel gaps because it's a plastic body. You do have these really basic hubcaps, and that's what the real car had. The tires are very, very domed. Like the wheels are so recessed compared to the tires. Quite interesting. They would choose to do that. Interesting. I don't know if that's an external hinge. I guess it must be. Yeah, and the door handle. But wait, I'm looking at the photos. The door handle should be there, or maybe a different year. It was this way around. Suicide doors, possibly. Just painted white windows. I mean, painted black windows. Sorry. Painted tail lights look okay. The light back here and the venting here and recessed venting there. Okay, and then the sunroof has some corrugation, some rails here. So all in all, it's pretty well done, I think, for a little toy. The stance is very low. It's like a race car stance. The tires, I'm surprised they don't scrape the body. It's very light. It feels lighter than a choro-q even. This is a very thin body, I guess. But that's fine. I don't mind. So we have some other ones here. We have a choro-q. This is from, I believe, Lupin the Third, a cartoon series. And this is bigger than your standard choro-q. And it doesn't even say choro-q on the bottom. It's interesting. But Takara Tomy Tech, they would have made this. Got an open engine back here. Yeah, alright. I think also there's a figure you could pop into the top. So that's why they made it so big. And that compares pretty well. But if we go to actual real choro-qs, we have the choro-q 0. Here's a standard red car. This is number 26 in the lineup. And it came out, boy, I can't read the date of the year on that. 2014. But Z26 is the number you want to look up. And so advancements, yeah, that logo looks a lot better. I just don't like these coin holders. But look how small it is, and that's the standard size choro-q. So they had a police version, which is really cool, extra printing and the like. Yeah. And then here's a more modern choro-q of the more modern Fiat 500. I had some black paint in the wheels. And since I have one more Fiat, I thought I'd show it as the Fiat Panda. I don't know what generation. Looks like a early 2000s or something. So compared to all the normal choro-qs, yeah, both of these are quite large. But I still like this more, these two, because they don't have the weird rectangle on the back of them, right? So, let's move that up. Move that out of the way. This here. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, Kaiyodo. Kaiyodo makes other toys, like model kits even, and action figures. Thanks for watching. I'll have to see if they have put out any other ones. Until then.